Hi, in this video I will show you how you can upload any image and edit it with AI ClipKraft editing tool. First, from the dashboard page, click on Edit Thumbnail here and upload the image you want to edit. I have chosen this image. We have three options. First option is that you can change anything in the image with the AI edit tool. Let's try it. And here you can change anything with just a prompt. Let's try something like when you're happy with the prompt, you can click Apply Edit here. Now we wait around 40 seconds and we should receive the result we want. Let's try something else and then we go ahead with the other features. Now, if you want to save to the library, you click here, Save to the library, and if you want to continue editing, you click Continue Editing. Now let's try something else. And of course, you can continue make the changes with the same image, or you can change completely new design. This time, let's just change the design completely. And here you can see that it has kept the original image and it has done the editing with a bottle. And of course, it all depends about the prompt. In the same editing, you can put prompt about the bottle, prompt about the object itself, and the background of the scene, and also the text. Now, just to save time, let's go to the other features by clicking Continue Editing, but we always recommend always save your image before you continue editing. Now the second option is add text and adjust colors. Let's adjust colors. Here, adjust the brightness and so on. You can adjust the contrast, you can adjust the saturation and the warmth and the coolness. If you want to reset everything, you can just click here. Now, once you have done your editing, you can just click on Save Adjust Version and you will have the new changes. If you're not happy, of course, you can click here and you will get your original image again back. Now, the third feature we have is add text and shapes. And of course, adjust colors doesn't charge anything from your credit, and to add text and so on, it's free also. It does not deduct anything from your credits. So we can just say hello, and here you can choose this text color, which was red, and here let's choose blue. And once you are happy, click Add Text. Here's the text. You can move the text anywhere you want. You can expand the text, make it larger or smaller. Once you are happy, you scroll down and you click Save. And if you don't like the text, you can click here and remove the text and start all over again. We click Save, and now we have the text. If you're not happy with anything, you can go through this all over again and do your changes. You can upload a new image if you want from here, and you can download the image from here. And now the image has been downloaded and saved in our PC. That's everything about edit thumbnail with ClipKraft AI. Thank you.